Yo, what's up guys? So today we're doing a video that someone recommended me before on the comments right here, and we're gonna be discussing what is wrong with my Lexus. So there's a lot of stuff wrong with it. I'm still trying to fix it, and it's a little bit cloudy, as you guys can tell, because it's about to rain. Like I said, that's why I can't really record anything, because it's always about to rain, which sucks. So first problem that I already fixed already, but I was rubbing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like right here, right there. Oh gosh, you can see that? Right there. Hope you guys can see it. I was rubbing right there. I painted it right there, but I was rubbing right there because I had the wrong tire size. For my friend said I used to run 225 40s in the front. Now I'm running 235s or 225 35s. And here is my old tires. So here are my old tires. As you can tell, look at that. That was all from rubbing on that chassis piece. Right here too. These are both my old fronts one. I saved it just to show you guys, but look at that. That's not tread, that's actually rubbing on both sides. So I fixed that by getting a new tire size. The second issue about this car is, I don't know if it's gonna be in this video, but I'm clunking my coilovers on my rears. So the rears are clunking a little bit. I don't know why I opened the door, but the rears are clunking a little bit. The rear coilovers are clunking, and it's apparently a common issue with BCs and just these cars in general. But these coils are clunking in my rears, both my rears to be exact. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do on this video or the next one's videos, but we're gonna try to diagnose it and fix that issue. Today's video, main reason is this side. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a crack right there because the previous owner replaced this quarter panel. Like, hopefully I can catch it on camera, but the paint's right here. This side and this side are different colors, because this side was actually replaced by the previous owner, and I wasn't aware until I got an aggressive wheels, which is the reason why I have so much camber. The metal that they used, I'm gonna jack it up and show you guys later. The metal that they used, well, I insert a pic right now too if you guys can't see it. But the metal that they use isn't the same metal as OEM, and it's curling in a little bit more than this side. 'Cause this side I rubbed really, really bad because of that, even before I was lowered. This side is the OEM side. I have no issues whatsoever, and like, we're gonna try to pull it. So I tried pulling this fender before and did not work, but I didn't have a fender roller. Now I actually do have a fender roller, so hopefully we can fix this issue today, because I've been sick and tired of hearing myself rub. I have like negative 4-ish, 4, 3.5 of camber just to fix it, and I'm still rubbing, and it's annoying. So we're gonna fix that today. Alright, let's get it. So I have my lovely assistant here, my brother, and we have no idea how to use a fender roller. So watch us fail for your content. Better look at it. Sorry if I'm using my iPhone quality, too lazy to use my camera, but we're rubbing right here. Right there. So we're gonna leave it like this, so it's that dimple out, but I'm okay at how it looks. It may look ugly, but once the bumper clips in and I stop rubbing. So here's the after result right there, and here's the before on the other side. Just let you know that they were both pulled before originally, but not for a fender roller or for breaker bar. This is the official one. So now we're gonna cut part of the bumper clip because it was rubbing a little bit. Oh wow. right here. Raise it up just to see. Oh man. Rubbing a little bit on this piece right here for focus. Right there. Focus. There you go. I was rubbing on that piece right here. We're gonna cut it a little bit. I don't recommend doing any of this at home or doing this in general. So I recommend professional, just how we're doing it, as a disclaimer. While my brother does that, I'm gonna try to tackle this. I forgot about this. So this is the sunroof, or moonroof we're gonna call it, the seal for it. It's just like this, but it always keeps coming loose. It's really annoying. So I'm gonna try to 3M it right here and see if it can fix it, just stay like this. You know, 3M the world. As if it didn't fix it, use tape. So we put the bumper back on, and this is where it's supposed to normally sit. You can tell it's so in from that. That's why we kept pulling it out. It was so in. That's why it kept rubbing. Junk metal, but this is how it's supposed to sit. At least this is sitting flush, not a fat dimple right here. So I put the 3M right here and hope I fix it. I'll keep you guys updated on that. So here's the finished result. We put a wrap on it so you think you won't notice. And my cousin's here. Oh, hey. My helpers. Since we finished that rolling on this side and pulling, now we're gonna fix the clunking. Ain't that right, free labor? Move. So we think it's a top hat, so we'll tighten that first for the clunking. That was tight.
What'd y'all do?
Alright, so we figured out the clunking. The locking collar for the coilovers, they weren't tight at all. And it was like all the way up halfway. So all I did was tighten that. I tightened both for the spring and the strut, and we're good. Just make sure you guys check it over time. Over time, it might get loose. Just check it.
Jump. No click. Cool.
We're good. We're good. All quiet now.
Yeah, throw it back.
Since we're done with all the other issues, now let's install this rear lip that got used. So let's see if it's better than installing my front lips. So this is how we mocked it up with some tape. So with this one, since these are kind of reps, they have that gap right here, but you want to have a gap between the fin and the bumper. Thanks to my good friend Mark right here. Go give him a follow. He also helped me get that Fender roller, and he's helping me right now with this Fender. He's giving me guidelines. So thank you, Mark, and let's get back to this install. First screw is in. Let's see if you see under it. Oh, you guys can. Right there. Well, it's in, not visible, and it's on really good. This one's on really good already, by just like one screw. And we're using self-tappers, which probably not a good idea, but it works. Well then, so we ended up putting about 4 screws, one right here and 3 at the bottom right here. Can't really see it there. 3 right there. And then there's supposed to be a gap right here, but we didn't have, like when we kept screwing at the bottom, it kept pulling out. So we just threw that into the bumper, so it won't make that rattle sound. It's on there real good. Pretty impressed. Time for the other side. I'm pretty impressed. Looks good. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for your support as well. We're, I think, about almost 60 subs by the time I make this video. So we'll make the drive for 100 subs. I might do a giveaway at 100 subs, so we'll stay tuned for that. We got a lot done today. We got the rear lip on, fixed this Fender, it's kind of huge. And for disclaimer, for that clunking sound, it's still kind of there, but it's not as loud as before as shown in the clip. So it's better. We're about to go for a test drive and then we'll update you from there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and please leave some positive vibes down in the comment section below. And we'll see you in the next video. Later.